Hey everyone, today I'm going to be working on the 2006 CLS55 AMG Renntech. I'm going to be doing a clay bar on the car, then I'll be buffing the car with Manzurna products. The paint on the car is not too shiny, it's a little bit dull, it's got some spots that could use a little bit of touch-up, so hopefully this will bring that nice blue color out. It is a black obsidian pearl. Really nice color on this car, pretty rare color, let alone on a CLS, a 1-year model. I have no idea how many of these they made in that color, but it's a really nice color. I like it a lot. Just doing final steps on this thing, and let's get to work. So right off the bat you see that real nice blue pearl coming through, and some imperfections in the paint, some watermarks and such. We'll try to get all that out, and this should look really nice. The headlights I already finished. They were a little bit faded. Ceramic coated them. I got the new wheels on this thing. Looks very proper. Got the new carbon fiber mirrors, interior, new cowl. Yeah, so this thing is looking real nice. So I just went to start my S55, and of course the battery is dead. The car won't start. So luckily my friends over at Top Don were able to supply me with a jumper. So I'm gonna go give this thing a jump start. It's the Top Don JS 1200. So yeah, I think I may have left the lights on and this thing is not starting. So here's the Top Don. Comes in a cool little package here, and it's the Jump Surge JS 1200 jump starter. Got your leads, you got your package, you got your charger in there. Alright, so you're going to want to plug in the leads. You got your negative and your positive terminals, hook those up. Then you have a boost option on the side here. So you go ahead and press that boost option, and then you go and crank the car over and should fire right up. So it'll bypass the computer and fire right up. So we're good to go, back in business. Make sure to check out the Top Don. I'll leave the link down below. You can buy it on Amazon. But let's get back to the CLS and get that thing detailed up. So I'm going to be using this Mother's Instant Detailer with the clay bar. I'll clay bar the paint. I'll show you why. You hear that? It sounds like sand. That's all dirt and debris that's locked in the paint. So the clay bar brings that up and collects it and gives it a smooth finish. And then I'll do the 300 Manzurna buff, and then I'll step that up, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, so the whole car is clay barred, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get some blue tape, and I'm gonna mask this trim off so I don't get any compound on it, because that rubber seal is crucial to not get compound on. Other than that, I'll just stay away from any edges, any other rubber. Might just tape this window seal off, but the moldings here don't have seals, so pretty safe to buff around. So let's get to masking. Alright, so I got everything taped up, got the headlight lenses that I redid, don't want the buffer hitting that to take the ceramic coat off, got all the trim, back trim all masked off, carbon fiber splitter, don't want any compound on that. And we're ready to start buffing, so let's see how she turns out. Look at how nice this paint's coming out. Just the defender hood. I'll do the bumper, fender, windshield, and move backwards. so I just finished up the final stage on the paint, and wow, look at the shine on this. Looks like a new car. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That wraps it up for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. If you didn't see my last video, I'll leave that in the comments down below as well. So till next time.